Hello dear students, let us understand what is degree of freedom. By definition, the degree of freedom is number of independent values which can be assigned to statistical distribution. By definition, it is very difficult to understand. So let us understand the degree of freedom using one example. Suppose you have 7 different hats and you want to wear a different hat on every day of the week. So on first day, you can select any hat out of these 7 hats. Suppose you have selected this hat. So on second day, you are left with 6 choices. So on second day, you can choose any hat and you have selected this hat. On third day, you have a choice of 5 different hats. On fourth day, you have a choice of 4 different hats. On fifth day, you can choose any hat from remaining 3 hats. On sixth day also, you have a choice. So you are free to choose any hat on sixth day. As soon as you select any hat on the sixth day, you are left with no choice on the seventh day. So you have 7 minus 1, that is 6 days of hat freedom. So let us understand the degree of freedom using some sort of data. Suppose you have a data set of 10 values and the mean value of these 10 values is 3.5 and the sum of these 10 value is 35. So that means you need to pick values in such a way that the sum is 35. So first value, you can pick any value. You are free to choose any value. On second value also you are free to choose. In fact, up to the ninth value, you are free to select any value. But to make the total sum of the data set is 35, you have no other choice but to select the 10th value in such a way that the total number is 35. So to have sum of 35 and a mean of 3.5, the 10th value you cannot vary. That means you are not free to select 10th value by your choice. So the freedom is only up to the 9th value, and 10th value must be very specific so that the sum arrives at about 35. So suppose the first value you selected is 34, second value you selected is minus 8.3, third value minus 37. In this way you have selected 9 different values. So ninth value was 99. So to arrive a sum of 35, the 10th value must be 61.3, so that the total of these 10 value is 35. So the 10th value is fixed. Similarly, the first value selected is 0.1, second value you selected is 0.2. In this way you have selected different values. So the 10th value should be a very specific value so that the sum of these 10 value is 35. So you have 10 minus 1 degree of freedom. It doesn't matter that what is your sample size or what is the mean. The last value in the sample is not free to vary. So you end up with n minus 1 degree of freedom, where n is the sample size. So now I hope you have understood the degree of freedom. We can simply define the degree of freedom as the number of value that are free to vary. So this is all. Thank you so much for watching this video.